Today we are making breaded steak. So, we have the steak itself, and the spices we used are salt, pepper, and some onion. We are gonna, we already put the spices on the steak, so after we let it sit for a little bit, we're gonna bread it. Now we're mixing 2 eggs with salt and pepper. This is gonna be for the breading. Now we're gonna mix breadcrumbs and flour. Now we dip the meat and soak it in the egg.
Soak it all.
Make sure it's all soaked. And then we put it into the breading and we cover it on all sides. Make sure to press on it very hard. Then you do that for all the rest of the steak. After heating up the oil, you're gonna put the breaded steak in on just one side to start. After about 7 minutes, flip it to the other side. After 7 more minutes the other way, you can take them out and they should look like this. You can put them in a sandwich or eat them as they are with a salad.